Hey, welcome back. So I'm here today to showcase another one of our Insider Hostess exclusives that you can grab this spring summer catalog season of 2022. I really was surprised by this one. This is called our Cinch Totes. Now, when you host a qualifying party of at least $200 or more, you'll qualify for one of our Hostess or Insider exclusives, okay? And so this is one of them. So you'll actually be able to get two of these Cinch Totes with this bundle, okay? It is a $28 with a qualifying party, or you could grab it for free with a $1,000 party. Now, we have a great Hostess Rewards program, and I'd love to chat with you and see if we can host a party together to help you earn your wish list, all of those items on your wish list, plus one of these, maybe these Cinch Totes. Okay, so just a couple of things about them. I've got them packed full of things to kind of show you what they are. So you'll be able to mix and match prints. So there's 4 prints available, so you'll be able to pick a different print for each one if you'd like, or you could grab matching set, okay? So this is the Cinch Tote in the multicolor stripe. Multicolor stripe. Okay, sorry. But this is, I'm impressed with this. Okay, so you've got the tote here. Now, this is it on my shoulder. You can see that I have the bungee cords zipped, you know, kind of cinched down, if you will. But there is plenty of room in here. Okay, so this is the multicolored stripe one. I did the sun personalization in the peach thread color, and then the C is in the butter thread color. I love this. I think it looks really great. Now, you've got a pocket right here on the front to be able to store things. I'm gonna just kind of pinch right here and pull this back, and you'll be able to see all of this stuff that I have in here. So I think this would be great for your car, for groceries, if you're going camping. So I'm just gonna kind of show you what I have in here. So you can see when it's, when you don't have it cinched up, it will open up right here. So I actually have some groceries in here. So lots of little groceries in here. If y'all don't buy your kids these gummies, they are so good. I love those gummies. We buy them in the big boxes. But I mean, great for the summertime. I'm even planning to use this as like a pool and beach bag too, so you'll be able to see that in just a second. So this is one of them in the multicolor stripe. And then here is the other one that I have. Just to kind of show you, this is in the bold color block print. So you can see that it kind of V's out a little bit. So it's very, very, very roomy. This is in the, like I said, the bold color stripe. I did the double arrow in the black thread color. You could also do it something in the fawn or maybe even the off-white color. Now this has 9 beach towels rolled up in here. I almost did 8, and then I was like, I think I can fit one more in there. So it does have 9 in here, but of course you don't have to fill this that full. I just like to show you like how big something is. These are just average size beach towels. They're not like the super size ones. So average size beach towels, 9 of them rolled up fit in here. So love that. It's got that wipeable material. The side here is kind of like that, the same feel as our all packed duffel, the same feel as our packing cubes, to kind of give you an idea of that. But love that you can cinch this closed. See, I could cinch this, you know, just like that, and have these in here where it's not like so you can see that I've cinched it up and they're even further closer together. So love the 2 Cinch Totes. You can grab these by hosting a qualifying party this spring and summer. So if you are searching for a consultant, you don't have one, I would love to be your 31 girl, okay? So I'm gonna link below how to get in touch with me. You can send me a message on Facebook. You can request to join my VIP group. But just do that if you do not have a consultant that you currently shop with, and we can talk about hosting with you. We can even talk about joining if that's something that is on your radar. You just have some questions about becoming a consultant. I would love to be your girl. So all the information will be linked below. And then also subscribe to my channel. That way you'll get a notification when I post a new video, okay? Thanks so much for watching today. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.